welcome to my channel. Today I will show a new model, that is gearbox casing. So I hope you seen this 3D model that I have already made. Here are some dimension given below here so that you can see it. So let's start to make it. Click new part. Okay. Select front plane, sketch, normal to profile. Click center rectangle. Apply dimension from here to here. Length will be 208 mm. Height will be 187. Okay. Exit. Choose extrude boss base. Select from start condition will be no, not start condition, end condition will be mid plane. Take 152 mm depth. So our preview has been seen here, you can see it. Okay, now click on this face, sketch. Take center line from origin. Draw one corner rectangle. Apply dimension. Take 167 mm and this fill 40 mm. Click OK. Now we have to make this sketch on here, so I will choose mirror entities from sketch command manager. Errors to entities to mirror will be this. Select this corner rectangle, all lines, mirror about vertical axis that I have drawn. Select this. So our preview has been seen here in yellow color lines. Click OK. See, it is been made. Now exit. Use extrude cut. Drag this arrow to here. Okay. Select this face, sketch, Ctrl 8. Select this circle, apply dimension. Take 192 diameter. Okay. Drag anywhere, click OK. Make one rough sketch of circle. Make it as 80 mm diameter. Okay. Now add some relations to here till here. So I will use add relations. Select this sketch and this vertex point coincident. Okay. Again choose add relation. Delete this selected entities. Select this arc diameter and this line, make it as tangent. So our relation has been applied here. Now use trim entities from sketch. Trim the lines. Make sure you will make one here also, a line. No, actually it is not made. Now our line has been made. So use again trim entities. Trim this circle and this. Now our sketch is wholly covered. Only we have to give dimension here. Take this edge and to this line. Make 18 mm thickness. And from here to here take 6 mm. Okay. Take center line from origin and stop here. We have to make this whole close sketch to here. So mirror entities, select this sketch, mirror about axis, click OK. Now our copied sketch has been made from here to here. Now simply exit it. I will use extrude cut, extrude through all, click OK. Now our outer side has been made. So select this plane, sketch, use convert entities, select this edge and this edge, right click OK. Now offset this convert entities client to here inside, so I will use offset entities, select this and this, make this direction as reverse, click OK. Delete this 10 mm dimension from here, Ctrl 8, make one line from center of this origin, OK. Take 6 mm dimension, take line again, drag one point of line to here, OK. Make one fillet, so I will use sketch fillet, select the point, make radius 6 mm and click OK. So our this sketch has been made. Now again we will choose convert entities and select this top one sketch, OK. Trim, sorry not trim, extended entities, we can extend all the lines from here, only choose this arc, right click OK. Use again trim entity, trim this line, OK. Now I will make center line from point of origin to here, so that we can mirror it easily. For mirror entities, select this arc, this and this, mirror about axis, vertical, OK. Now our sketch is fully closed, just only we have to give one dimension, that is select this and this, make thickness 6 mm, OK. Simply hide this and this, make it construction, OK. Make 19 mm 90 degree, 19, because here we have to give another extrude cut to make a sketch of it, so that's why I have given angle 19 degree. So click OK. Now we have to make extrude cut only in this portion, not we have to cut all through the model. So we will use extrude cut. Now from start condition will be offset 6 mm, select counter will be this, end condition select offset from surface. Make 6 mm. Select a surface for this, so select this surface. Now it shows outward from it. Make this change the direction of it by choosing this that I have shown. So the direction has been changed to inside. You can see the preview. It cut only this portion only, not this. So click OK. Now our extrude cut has been done. It cuts the material on inside portion of the extruded that I have made. So for this portion I have to cut it, so I will use display setting, change it, use wireframe, control it, select sketch, line, select line, center point, use convert entities for projection, click OK. Now give relation, make it parallel. Now use 3-point arc. Use smart dimension, make it 24 mm radius. Close this sketch. Use trim. Okay. Now add one relation here. Make this and this line. Use tangent. Give length will be 84 mm. Simply you can drag it. Choose center line, select this arrow, center line, use mirror entities, select this sketch line that is closed, mirror about vertical axis. You can see the preview, click OK. Now I have to give fillet here from this point, so use fillet, click this point, OK. Now our fillet has been made. click OK. Use features, extrude cut, extrude end condition will be through all. Okay. Now change the display style, make it shaded with edges. Our extrude cut has been made. Now select this face, sketch, control it, make center line, apply circle to this point where center line has been started, make one line to divide this circle. Now apply dimension, give 36 mm diameter. Okay. Use trim entities, delete this half portion circle. Now we have to cut this portion by using this half circle, semicircle. So click OK and use extrude cut from features. Give end conditions through all. Okay. Now we have cut this portion, so I will extrude it this by using right click, sketch, control it, use circle command, take center point of half semicircle, take line, draw one line from this point to this. Now then use convert entities, convert this semicircle for projection lines, click OK. Apply dimension to this bigger one. That is 64 mm diameter. If you want to make radius, then you can make it by using right click this dimension, display options, display diameter or display as radius. Now it converts the radius of 32 mm. Then use trim command again, trim this portion, then click OK. Now our sketch is completed, so exit, extrude boss up to 40 mm, click OK. Now use this plane, sketch, control 8, normal to profile, which means use circle, start from this point that I have shown. This is the center point of this both the extruded and extrude cut circle that I have made. Make this circle as construction. Click OK. Apply dimension to this 49 mm dia. OK. Choose point from sketch. Give it to this constructed circle that I have created. To make this fully defined, use smart dimension. Select this point, this, and this third point. Make 60-degree angle. Select this point and this, and this third point. Again make 60-degree angle. Click OK. I have made this point to give a hole wizard. I want to make holes in this, so I have given the location of this hole for location of this point to make ear hole. So click OK. Now go to hole wizard. Select hole. Standard will be ANSI metric. Type will be tab drills. Size select will be M6 into 1 into 1.0. We can see here custom sizing of it that given. Make it 6. Hole depth will be 16. Make this near side countersink will be 6. Now use position 3D sketch. Now our hole has been created. We have to simply place this on points that I have created earlier. Select this point and this, and last one is this. No, actually it is wrongly placed, so now our hole has been placed properly. Now simply click OK. Our holes has been made. So hide this sketch. Use this sketch. Use this plane sketch. Control 8. Use convert entities. Use this edge. Click OK. Use line command. Draw this type of sketch that I have shown you. Use trim entities. trim this edge. Now our sketch is fully completed. Give the dimension. Make thickness 14 mm. Use this and this. Divide this from 92 by 2, that is 46. Mm, 46 will be small, so take 49. Now simply do exit, extrude, up to surface, select this surface so that it will create extrusion. Click OK. To make here also I will use mirror entity. Our boss is selected. Choose mirror plane, so I will choose this right plane. See, it has been created, so click OK. Now choose this plane, sketch, take this center line, draw one line here, take smart dimension, make it as 70 mm. Choose smart this point and this point, apply angle, and this third one origin point, apply angle 30°. OK. Now exit, use reference geometry plane, take this point and this point. Now our both the first reference has been selected. Use third reference as this, select this plane. Now our plane has been tilted, so click OK. Select this plane, sketch. We will make here a rib, so for rib I will choose one line, take line from anywhere so that the rib will create easily, otherwise it will take some time to make it. Now exit, use rim command, flip the material inside, thickness will be 10 mm, Click OK. Now our rim has been created. Hide this plane and this sketch. I want the rim to be here, so I will make mirror, right plane, features to be mirror, select this rim, click OK. Now our second rim has been created. I want this whole part to be here, so I will do again mirror, select mirror, front plane. Our rim mirror has been selected, so choose this and this. And this mirror 1. We have selected boss extrude, tab drill, boss extrude 3, mirror and mirror 2. Now simply click OK. Actually this is wrongly placed here, so I will make changes here. Okay. Now again do mirror, select front plane, delete this boss extrude 1. I have selected this mirror, so click OK. If the mirror is not done properly, then choose this face, sketch. Use convert entities, select this edge, OK. Apply dimension 14 mm. Take this line and this, make it 49 mm. OK. Now do trimming, use trim entities, cut that edge. OK. Exit. So use extrude boss, extrude up to 40 mm. OK. So our this portion has been made. Select this face, sketch, Ctrl 8, choose one center line, choose circle, use smart dimension, apply this circle diameter as 4 mm. Now select this point of circle to this edge line, apply 40 mm. Or you can make it 37 also. OK, click OK. Use extrude cut, no sorry, use revolve cut. See, we have to cut this portion only to make it one ring. So click OK. Now our cut has been made. We have to make another cut from here also. So use mirror, select front plane. Now our preview has been seen here. So click OK. From top face we have to make 4 holes here. So we will choose circle, take one circle here. OK, use smart dimension, give diameter as 10.5 mm. Choose this point and this 12 mm. Make 30 mm. Click OK. Now use extrude cut. OK. We have to make 3 holes. On one hole will be here, one and second will here, and third will here. So I will again use mirror, use right plane. OK. At one time it can do only these mirrors also. Use front plane. Mirror 6 is already selected of extruded cuts, so no need to worry it. Click OK. Now our upper portion has been done. Now we have to do one hole also here, so click this. OK, sketch, make one circle, use smart dimension, select this edge, top edge to this point, make it as 94.5 mm. Now select this circle, diameter will be 72 mm. Okay, and make one circle here, smaller circle. Make 44 mm. Take this point and this point. So our sketch has been made. Now simply go to exit, use extrude boss. End condition will be up to vertex. Select this point of vertex that you can see here. Select this. Now extrusion will be done up to this vertex only. So click OK. But we have to make hole through all. So again select this arrow of boss extrude. Select this, show. Select this circle, convert entity. For this select this plane, sketch, make this convert entity, use extrude cut, make through all. OK. Now hide these sketches. We have to make also here extrude boss. Use right plane. You can see the preview of it. OK. Select this plane, sketch, select circle. We have to make a PCD of 57 mm dia. Take 57 mm dia. Make this circle as construction plane. Take a point, choose here. Now use circular sketch pattern. Entity to pattern will be, select this point. Intents will be 6. Click OK. Now our points has been done. So click OK. Again select hole wizard. Now this time the depth will be 12 mm. Take positions, 3D sketch, select the points that we have drawn. Okay, now our holes has been created. Hide this construction circle. Again we have to use mirror for this. Choose right plane. Use tab drills that we have used. Now our preview has been shown here. So click OK. %, our model has been completed. Only we have to do here this. Select this plane, sketch, select line. Again we have to make a rip. Okay. Exit. Use rip command. Flip the material inside, but it is not from center, so I will delete this. To make it in center we will use front plane, sketch, select line from here to here. Exit. Use rim. Select flip the material inside. Thickness will be 10 mm and click OK. Now our rib has been made. We have to make another rim here. So again I will use front plane, sketch, take line not from vertex, just go through outside. Okay. Exit. Use rim. Flip the material inside. Thickness will be as same as earlier. Click OK. Now again choose mirror. Use right plane. We have to make second rib also. So here, now our preview has been shown here. So click OK. Or both the mirrors ribs have been done. So select this plane, sketch, make circle from center line. Take smart dimension. make it 24 mm diameter. Make sure it will be from center only. Distance will be 28 mm. Make it at 35. Okay. Now use trim entities. Now our sketch has been closed, so click OK. So select this plane sketch, use convert entities, use this, select this arc, click OK, make it a construction, exit. Now again choose hole wizard, select this hole, and diameter will be 7.2. Depth will be 13. Select a countersunk, make it 7.2 diameter, depth will be 13. Countersunk will be 82 degree, or make it 60 degree. No, make it 82 only. It will be 13.16. So use position 3D sketch, click OK by using right click. Now our hole has been made. We have to make another portion from here, so I will choose again mirror, use front plane. Our hole has been selected. For boss, I will choose this boss extrude, then click OK. Now hide this sketch. Our mirror command has been successfully done here. Now our last step is here extrusion cut from downwards, so I will choose this plane sketch. Select center line, use line, use add relation, make it tangent, again add relation, make radius 16 mm, make this line vertical, select this total line will be 68. Use convert entities, select this line, OK. Now trim it, extend up to now use again mirror entities, mirror about this. Now our sketch has been fully sketched. Exit, use extrude cut, use offset, six mm, change the direction, offset up to surface, offset from surface, select the last surface of bottom line, offset up to 6 mm. So preview you can see here, then click OK. Our extrude cut has been done here. Now our final step is to create here some extrusion holes or extrude boss. So click sketch, this bottom face select, Ctrl 8, use circle, draw one circle. For another we will use mirror. Choose smart dimension, apply this and this. Make a diameter 32 mm. Sorry, it is distance. Make 16 mm. It is, I think, just near to it, so make it 20. Or you can make it 25. Yeah, that is okay. Now take diameter 32 mm. Okay. Exit. Use extrude boss. Extrude up to 4 mm. Okay. Select this top surface of extrude boss. Click OK. Choose 12.5 mm diameter. Make it construction. Extrude up to all. Click OK. Now give here fillet. Radius you can give 2 mm. So click OK. Select this sketch, this edge. OK. Now our last step is use again mirror. For features to mirror we have to select this boss and extrude cut. Also use mirror. Mirror plane will be front plane. Okay. Again use mirror. Now this time select right plane. Both the geometry has been selected, so that we can apply our material here. So click OK. So our model is fully finished. It is very lengthy, but you can make it, I sure. You can give it material by using material not specified on. Right click, edit material. I will prefer as steel cold roll. Then OK. We can see all properties of this material shown here. So I apply it. Closed. Now our model has finished. I know it's very lengthy, but you can make it. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.